Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English classes. Poem to Great Grandmother. I hope you read the poem and wrote the meanings. Children, look at this image. What do you observe? Yes, your observation is correct. They are all aged women. But their facial expression, you can see they are different. So you can make out what kind of persons they are through their facial expressions. Children, in our last class, we learned about importance of grandparents. I hope many of your grandparents are living with you or in their native place where you go often. They love you very much and you too respect them. But do you have your great grandparents? You may ask, who are great grandparents? Look at this image. Here there are 4 women sitting. And imagine the girl sitting down is you. Next is your mother. Then mother's mother, grandmother, and grandmother's mother is great grandmother. So, if you have your great grandmother, children, really you are a blessed one. If not, at least search or ask for a photograph. If you get it, you are the lucky one. If you have one, please do observe the photograph carefully, their appearance and facial expression, and write a description of the same. Even in your textbook also, you have the same question. In your today's poem, Great Grandmother, the poet is looking at the old photograph of a great grandmother and describes his great grandmother whom he never knew. The poem begins with this line: she looks out at me from the yellowing photograph, misted over by time. Here she refers to poet's grandmother. Poet says she is looking at him from the photograph which has turned yellow and dimmed over by time. Yellowing photograph means the photograph is very old. But in reality, when poet looks at the photograph and recognizes her, he feels that she looks at him from photograph. The next 3 lines, it is a frank and serious look. Her eyes are stern, but they can laugh too. This explains her facial expression and what kind of person she was. Here, frank means straightforward or honest, and serious means thoughtful or subdued in appearance, and stern means strict or the sharp look. This line depicts that she was an honest, straightforward woman. She had a strict, sharp look. This suggests that the poet's grandmother was a bold woman of confidence with positive outlook. Her hair is pulled back tightly in a bun, and on her black dress she wears no jewelry. This line explains her appearance, and they suggest that she was a very simple woman. In the following lines, the poet feels close to his great grandmother. When you observe her old photograph, though he never knew her, he is able to recognize himself in her. He wishes that may his great grandchildren feel as close to him as he is feeling close to his grandmother now. With this, I end my explanation. Thanks for watching.